In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix schedule message not working on Instagram. So if you go to Instagram, the first thing you can try is basically make sure your account is on professional. So if you go to the top right and go down here, account type and tools, account type, make sure you switch to professional account. So if you do this and this still doesn't fix your issue, you can try and go to settings here, and you want to see if your battery optimization. So if you go for battery optimization and click here all apps and search for Instagram, see if Instagram is on the battery optimization. So if it is, just make sure it's make sure it's disabled. Sometimes these settings restrict Instagram from giving its full potential. So see if this fixes your issue. If it doesn't, then you can just try to update Instagram this time. Sometimes it's just a bug issue, so see if it does need an update and update it. And that's it for this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.